Hi guys, it's Gucci. Fancy that. We're going to make strawberry hemp milk, and it's a very easy recipe to keep it simple. A Vitamix blender is my preference. It's my favorite blender. Water. I recycle these glass bottles. Then I use entire box of organic strawberries that I take the green off of. And sometimes I actually also will mix in blueberries or raspberries or whatever the most seasonal berry is. Mix them in. Hemp hearts, organic hemp hearts. So good for you, so high in omegas. So great for your skin and your hair. So I kind of eyeball this entire recipe just to make it quick. I make it at least once a week. So I use about 1/4 of a bag for a small bottle like this. Has a really nice kind of nutty flavor. I love cinnamon. I add cinnamon pretty much to everything. It's an anti-inflammatory for your stomach, and it also tastes a little bit sweet, which I love. Add a little bit of cinnamon, sometimes a little bit more. A little bit of vanilla extract. Some mellow sweetness. Oh, gooey date. A half of a date. I really love the Moon Juice Probiotics. This is a little bit too big, but sometimes if I'm doing a giant bottle, I'll do a massive scoop. Today, I'll do about 1/4 of a scoop of the Moon Juice Probiotic. And then Tocos, great for connective tissue. It's nice in hot drinks, it's nice in strawberry hemp milk. About 1/2 of a scoop. It's really a delicious addition to any drink, actually, except maybe not margaritas. I know everyone's excited. I like the fact that it's anti-inflammatory. It is obviously, the probiotic is really calming for your stomach. It's just a great protein. It's a little bit of a treat, a little sweet, it's mellow. It really is a good little pick-me-up. I really love this drink. Cheers. Sometimes my kids will have this with a little bit of whipped cream, and they are kind of convinced that it's delicious. Not always, but sometimes. And it's just that perfect kind of pick-me-up that you need, and it really settles your stomach. It really is soothing. It's great for inflammation, and it lasts for about, I would say, a week in the fridge. So here we go. Oh God, isn't that pretty? Boom, strawberry hemp milk.